talk to someone at all?
Nope.
Okay. Nope. Okay. Bye.
It's been a couple of weeks, yes, but I had followed up investigations with the whole thing. Obviously, like we talked in, we have concerns. There is immediate danger and probable cause to remove the children from the home.
And it took months to decide that.
It didn't take months to decide that. There was information I had to be gathered, and inside the home there are concerns. So what our options are...
Did you have to sign the judge? Because I'm not signing another safety plan.
No, you don't have to sign another safety plan. What our options are you guys can voluntarily be okay with them going with Tanya.
No.
Or
you're waiting for Tanya to get a license. She is a liar and manipulator, and it's so bad.
So if you're not okay with Tanya, then what your options are is we're going to go ahead, we're going to take protective custody from them.
Why are you going to do that without a judge?
Yes.
Yes.
So we have permission. So
How is it immediate danger? And how do you think this law can decide that?
it's immediate danger based on what we saw inside the home today where
No,
the
it's
children
not.
were unsupervised and had access.
You guys are gonna get shit on, dude.
Have access to what?
So,
You have a locker or a bathroom door, and
so your bathroom door was unlocked, your bathroom door was open, and there was
Yeah,
a
to let you
rubber
in there.
door with burnt and glass pipes attached to it. The children had access to that. Matthew was outside of the home. Obviously, that's
how
concerning
did they
for
how
a
did
reason.
how do you know this?
Because we were inside the home, Matthew gave us permission to be inside the home and to speak with the children.
I did not give you permission to go in my room. So you're telling me you went in my room without my permission?
I'm telling you that the children pointed out things that were concerning, and so those things were looked into. Absolutely.
Okay. You guys are...
I'm so sorry. So keep it
Right, and then my son is
You don't know how to
in the
twist
gray car
things.
over here for me. Thank you, bud. So we're gonna take you back to the office. I'm gonna work on getting that custody order back to you guys. But at this time, seeing as you don't, again, if you want to voluntarily let Tanya come and get them,
I will not. She
Then-
said all of this.
okay.
My kids are not being everything. I'm not going to say things. You do not have to.
Well, I can let you know for sure that none of this has to do with Tanya. None of my reports have come from her, and
I
my
know she's
concerns are based on what I saw inside your house just now.
That she talks to DHS. Or you have to know people. And it's funny that she just got a place for 3 bedrooms and now you show up. After whatever report you had before, you know. And so
These are just the same reports from before that I've still been investigating and I've been looking into.
So this was decided before you got here or when you got here?
This was decided after I was here and the children showed me the things of concern.
No, okay. You're full of
I
shit.
don't understand.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them back to the office. I'll reach out to you once we know more. We will go get the other 2 children and bring them to the office as well. And we'll just go from there because, again, that stuff is of concern.
Hang on, talk to you.
Yeah, absolutely.
How did, I don't, yeah.
No, they're in my protective custody at the time. Okay, let me have them tell you.
I let them into the house. Originally, I didn't tell them that she was supposed to just be talking to you.
And you started searching our house and our bathroom.
I know.
So when you said that expertise, is there any way that you guys have you sign something that I didn't take that and test it to see if it's the case? I'm just hoping that
I didn't know.
something
What I've learned from this is that, like, I'm not giving any evidence. I mean, that's what I thought the last time. Every time, it's been everything that we've given them that they've used against us. I mean, look, he let them in to talk to the kids, and they went in our bathroom and started searching through our stuff. I mean,
Well, we can roll that way. We can't get you to start living in this house. Right?
yeah. And we have cameras. I have cameras in the living room. And Sean's right there. I have cameras right here that pick up all the sound. So it's going to be very clear if he said keep talking to kids or not.
Yeah. So you said it's okay to talk to kids, but as far as consent to search the house. And which kid?
I'm guessing it's Bella. She's been not wanting to live here. She was forced over because her dad's getting a divorce. It has been like she threatened me. She said that if I forced her to live here and I didn't let her live where she wanted, that she was going to call CPS again. And they know this.
How old is she?
She's 13, and I have not heard from them in months. 14. She's 14. I have not heard from them in months.
Just let you guys know it's the sheriff's office doing that program. We can't serve permission. They just asked us to show up. And essentially that's what people get hands off the village because that's their claim. And I personally that's a policy.
We had a CPS case that they dismissed with evidence. His mom is doing it, trying to get kids. And I don't understand. They had no new report other than the same thing that keeps getting reported. And yeah, this is just the thing. I know that this was coordinated with Bella.
And then, Kayla, your mom wants more information on the case. I let her know I don't have a release of information, so I can't tell her anything. Okay. But I just wanted to let you know that before I just up and laughed.
So apparently they asked about the kids and Matt said that they could talk to the kids when they started searching for a house, looking for a bathroom, and apparently found something that was concerned. But they don't have any kind of idea for the kids right now.
Yeah, but if you don't like them telling us, they're going to go to strangers.
I don't care exactly because that's the thing. No, she just moved in. Literally this past weekend moved into a new place that was big enough to fit all the kids. I told you she keeps asking me about all the kids' doctor's appointments last night. This was coordinated.
And then, Kayla, what's your date of birth again?
My 6th son is okay.
Alright. And then, Kayla, this is just you giving ODHS permission to talk to your mom, Kimberly. Kimberly, what's your last name?
Hanford, HANENBRAT.
So, this is just you giving us permission to talk to your mom. We'll need you to initial here and then sign on the back.
Every day, every single day. And you guys don't care to hear what she has to say about anything.
I care to hear what she has to say. I did call your mom earlier and try to talk with her. But I can't talk in depth without this information. So I was just going to go over basic family functioning. And then on the back here, I'll just need you to sign. And then, I don't know, is it better for me to call you back later? Once you've got some things figured
My
out?
mom is 3:30. I'll probably stop the work like and I'll just call her.
Okay.
I'm using a break right now.
Okay.
Possibly, so I just run up a little bit.
Absolutely. I'll reach out to you in a little bit, and then I'll answer all of those questions you have. Thank you for signing that.
And you knew I was at work too.
I did not know you were at work. I came here and I had asked Matt while we were conversating, while law enforcement was standing here, just like with the children, we conversated.
Luna?
Luna and Ori were going to be going